I want to do a fit check, I can do hair. Okay, let's go. So hi everyone, today is Friday and I'm going to Mahabaleshwar for like a day. I really wanted to go out because it's been like 2 months that I've stayed literally inside, like indoors, because I have work from home, so I do not like really go out. Not that I like to go out, but I'm missing the trees, I'm missing the mountains. And while being here, that's the only choice we have, so we're gonna go. So I got this collaboration booked yesterday itself. Like, I've been trying to book a collaboration since 2 weeks, but that's fate, I guess. Somehow, yesterday I booked one, and that's what we're going to do there also, because I've seen the videos and not much is there to do. So I was like, might as well create some content. And I love collaborating when I'm on vacation. Not like vacation, it's just one day outing, but even when I'm on a one day outing, I like to collaborate only because I want to use my platform that I've built for myself, and second is basically to build up the portfolio. Of course, like if I'm able to collaborate here, I'll be able to collaborate somewhere else too, which will be far more interesting than this. You never know. Now, like, it is 9:30 in the morning, and I'm getting ready, not exactly for the road trip, but for a brand collaboration that I did recently, which was like a barter, but I loved the dress, so I had to say yes. And so I don't do barters like at all, but when it comes to clothes, I lose it. And that too, when it's like expensive clothes or something which is like totally my vibe, I get to take it. So anyways, I have to do that shoot. I'll do the makeup and then get back. By the way, I did a facial like after 6 months and eyebrow upper lip. I don't know if you can tell, it is so cleaner. Like, I feel like myself after so long. So the dress is like orange in color, and lately I've been loving this combination on Pinterest, orange and pink. So I'm thinking to go with this, but it's like daytime, it could mean quite a lot, like it would show a lot. Do I like it or it's too much? I really wanted to like keep the video on because I love this lipstick and that's what I'm gonna put. I was like, I want to show you the difference that it gets, like it gives. This is how my face looks without it, okay? Do you see? So this is like mauve color, and right now it looks a little glossy, but once it settles in, it looks really good on brown skin. I do not line my lips because I have not yet got the right shade for that. But how beautiful. This is the Sod Bella brand, which I am doing a barter with, and the dress is beautiful. So that's the sole reason I took this collaboration. Let's open it. I have not opened it. It's been like 5 days and I have not opened it only because I wanted to shoot while I open it. So let's do that. Oops, we forgot to spray on. Let's do that too. By the way, I love this makeup fixer. I am not into suggesting a lot of beauty products because I myself am trying to learn it. But this one I can abide by because I've used it in the days where it was very important, okay? And it helped me. Like, अगर मैंने lipstick लगाई है तो शाम तक ही रहेगी only because of this. Otherwise, it's very tough. So let's do it. So of course this was suggested to me by my sister, and I was like, okay, I'll give it a try. I think I put a lot here, but I have used it in days like there was a wedding I had to go to, and I got ready at like 7 p.m. and by 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. my lipstick was intact, my blush was intact, and I swear I did not even touch up. And the next day when I had to go to Sangeet or something, I forgot to put it and everything was gone like in 2 hours. So I would highly recommend this. So I get very anxious when I'm shooting for a brand because I feel like it's not going the way it is supposed to, and it's like a never ending guilt I feel when you think you're not good enough. I'm still working on this, where I gotta learn that it's okay, I am good enough, and no matter what I shoot, it's gonna turn out amazing. So these are the affirmations that I try while shooting for the brand. Hi, so there's this brand called Salt Bella. It's a women-led fashion brand. So we had to leave like at 11, but then I was not happy with the shots at all. So there's this thing about camera. Firstly, I do not understand it much. Secondly, I do not like if anyone else shoots. So I don't know. I was not liking the shots. So I shot from iPhone. Let's see if we like it and Brian approves it. But anyways, now it's going to be 12. It is already 11:48 and I'm having oats because I'm already late. I don't have that time to make anything better, but I love them. And this is the kurti I was talking about in my last video. This is from the brand Ivara. I really like it. I love anything which is white. I don't know. I love white so much. And then it has bell sleeves. It's just a very basic outfit where you wear the kurti and jeans, but amazing for road trip because if you're someone like me going on the road trips, eating outside, like the roadside food, it's so occupied, so crowded. So I tend to wear very, very, very modest clothes there. I think 2 months, 2 whole months. April full gone, May full gone. This is June mid.
We are exiting Pune. This is the first time I'm seeing this road. Even she's seeing this road for the first time. Though she was in Pune long ago. लेकिन तू भी शायद इस तरफ नहीं आई है ना?
No, this is the first. I like to see new landscapes for a change.
So we are seeing that the traffic is pathetic here. और यहाँ पे एक चीज जो मैंने देखी, इधर पे ट्रक और बस सब एक साथ ही चल रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा कॉशियस रहना पड़ता है. बाकी तो बढ़िया है. रोलिंग इन दी हाईवे, विल बी रीचिंग. और कुछ खाएंगे. अरे भाई कितने दिनों बाद कुछ खाएंगे. आई एम एक्साइटेड टू eat the regular Indian food because it's my cheat day. And yes, regular Indian food is a cheat day. It's a cheat meal.
Sadly.
Sadly. There is a D-Mart in between Mahabaleshwar to Pune. और लोगों की भीड़ भी है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि फैक्ट्री वैक्ट्री हो.
वही प्रॉपर वाला डी-मार्ट है.
क्या करना है इससे? आई एम ग्लैड कि यहाँ चना मिल रहा है और कोई वो बनाना चिप्स नहीं मिल रहा. चना इज सो बेटर. मैंने एक ब्लिंकिट की रील में ही बोला था कि अगर किसी को भी कोई भी स्नैक खाना है ना तो वो चना खाए.
गाड़ी लॉक नहीं कर.
अनसॉल्टेड वाला. गाड़ी में कुछ है? ओ यार गाड़ी में है. सैंपल भी है.
मुझे भी चाहिए. मैंने कम से कम 5-6 फ्लेवर्स टेस्ट कर लिए अभी. Of course you can eat your chana first. I just record this. Roadside picture बाहर में गई. So we got 2 flavors, garlic and pudina. Are we away from the road? Enough?
A little bit. क्या करना तुझे? ये वाला Airbnb स्पॉन्सर्ड है, इसलिए थोड़ा बहुत इसके शॉट्स ले रहे हैं अच्छे से. उसके बाद जब हम सामान वैसे भी इस रूम में डालेंगे तो इट वोंट लुक गुड. वाओ, नाइस ड्रेस. इसको ओवरलैप कर दियो लेकिन रील में आवाज सेम आएगी. करूं?
So we are in a resort 2 hours from Pune.
Away from Pune.
2 hours from
This place is just 2 hours away from Pune.
Okay. So this place is just 2 hours away from Pune. Why were you smiling? I cannot be a vlogger because I forgot my camera again in the room. And now we're going to one of the cafes that I saw on Instagram ki अच्छे reviews हैं. Let's see. I'll record from phone till then. I mean, it's 5:12, and so much we have done in the day. It feels like such a long day to me.
यार एक ब्रेकिंग बैड का सीजन तो देखिए.
Yeah, we already like he walked 11,000 steps right in the morning before we left. I recorded one of the videos. I'm not sure if it turned out good or not.
अलग खाना था यार कुछ. Have a lot of calories. This is my refeed. This is my calorie indulgence. This is Sunil Strawberry Farm. ये अभी तो फिलहाल बंद है. और यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रीम.
So we had food in the last cafe. How was it? मुझे लगता है लाइफ में like I live by the fact that कुछ नहीं होगा तो तजुर्बा तो होगा, लेकिन अब मुझे लग रहा है तजुर्बा लेना इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है शायद, या एक्सपीरियंस. I don't think like it's that important, is it? What do you think?
I think yeah, it's important because there are so many things in life that even if you go by experiences, अगर तू हर दिन भी 10 एक्सपीरियंस अलग अलग कर रही है ना, तब भी लाइफ कम है क्योंकि इतना कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करने के.
That's true. But lately the experiences have been like very average.
You cannot have expectations with experiences. It's like experience comes with random what do you call? मतलब मैंने क्या बोला था, experiences is what?
You cannot have expectations with experiences.
हाँ, experiences means a random expectations.
But that's true. That's gonna be the new motto.
महाबलेश्वर में आके स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रीम डन.
Much better than whatever that was. So hi in the morning. This is Saturday morning. It's like 9 a.m. and we slept at like 11 yesterday. I don't know, maybe it was the day out thing, and we were like, something needs to be done. But then we slept. Like we thought we'll watch a movie. We thought we'll just sit around in the cafe in the night and things. But turned out we were just tired. Anyways, what I've realized while I collaborated, since I've collaborated quite a lot, like I collaborated last, I think 20 plus properties or maybe more, Himachal and Goa are the best when it comes to collaboration. Because for collaboration also your property needs to stand out. This is a good property, like good enough for a day outing. But for shooting content, it's really tough because it's very basic. So, coming to that perspective, I think not many people will tell you. But when you tend to come on a day outing to kind of places, we expect that there has to be something that you can shoot with, right?
One good thing that we got from Bali is that drone. I feel very much techy.
What do you feel?
Techy. अच्छा, इसको तुझे क्या लगता है यहाँ उसमें लेना चाहिए?
किसमें? हमें उसमें लेना चाहिए जिसमें बैटरी कम जाए.
नहीं.
अबे उड़ गया. This is us eating and the drone is like right now. Above the swimming pool, my anxiety is off the roof, but this guy just is not there. How? Go on. ओ बेचारा इतना दूर है. हमारे पास आ गया, अपना घूमते जाए.
हमारे पास आ सकता है. सुधारी.
That's our ritual song. Whenever we are in the car, like first time of the day. Oh my god. The cheat snacks that this guy has taken. Which color now?
I was like, लेना है तो सारे अलग अलग लो, वरना there is no point. This is strawberry.
Yeah.
मैंने तो खा लिया भाई, 1000 कैलोरी. एक और देना जरा.
After eating half of the entire, how many calories? Like around 500?
ये 250 ग्राम्स का पैकेट है क्या?
हाँ.
इसकी वो तो दिखा दे,
Oh, indeed.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट.
The date of manufacturing is literally 11 December 2026. Like even if I say कि date month इधर उधर हो गया तो भी 12 नवंबर 2026 है, which just does not exist.
We can literally gift it to someone maybe next year too.
Because it's best before 12 months.
This is the way. और चलो यार ठीक है, आए तो फाइनली एक ही चीज़ को 50 तरीके से बता के बोल रहे हैं कि ये है वो है वो है. एक ही रास्ता है, यही लुडविग पॉइंट, एलिफेंट हेड, नीडल पॉइंट, एलिफेंट फेस, सब कुछ इधर ही है. फाइनल तो चलना अभी थोड़ा सा हमें जाना पड़ेगा. शी इज लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू स्टे हियर फॉर अ व्हाइल, शी इज एंजॉयिंग इट सो मच. बट फिर मैंने बोला कि लेट हो रही है इसलिए निकलते हैं अभी. कोई नहीं होगा.
Just shut the fuck up.
Next time we'll spend 1.5 hours here. We finally saw this because of this girl. She was like कि आना ही आना है, देखना ही, इसके बिना मैं जाऊंगी नहीं वापस. तो फाइनली कैसा लग रहा है?
Such a fake. यहाँ पे.
See, Bhavya is so, she's taking the picture. She's so interested.
उसको क्या बोलते रेड फॉरेस्ट मेरे को वीडियो करायचा वीडियो नाही
कल स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रीम खाई थी, आज मलबेरी क्रीम खाएंगे. और मकाई पैटिस वेरी फेमस ओवर है.
What's मकाई पैटिस?
हाँ खानी लगी इसके ऊपर. ये चीज़ खाने इस रेस्टोरेंट में वो भी आएगा. मैंने इतना इमेजिन कर लिया था कि मुझे पता इसका टेस्ट कैसा होगा.
I have a message for all the people traveling to, I don't know, Mahabaleshwar, Lonavala, whatever it is. If you have not been to Ladakh or McLeodganj or Dharamshala, please visit those places as well, because that's real traveling, that's real landscapes. Even shopping, that's real shopping. The experience as a whole is something. Here, it's fine, but it's not extraordinary to waste your hours on, or petrol on, or time on.
नहीं आप आओ और आप स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रीम खाओ, फिर शायद आपको विश्वास आए. और बहुत सब्जेक्टिव है यार ये चीज़.
No, it's
किसी को
not
कुछ चीज़ पसंद है,
subjective.
किसी को कुछ चीज़ पसंद है.
Only those people who haven't visited those places will like this.
It's a easier
Fact.
getaway. I think for people living in Pune, it's a easier getaway. You know, the temperature is थोड़ा सा नीचे है, comparatively lower than what the temperature is in Pune. वो एक main reason है. दिन में भी घूम पा रहे हैं, उससे बड़ी वो क्या है?
He is just a sweeter guy, and I am just a rude person.
अरे बिल्कुल सही है.
Because of you are here, okay? Stop making faces.
इसलिए तुम्हारा मन था ना देखने का एलिफेंट. क्या करूँ
मेरी
मैं?
कसम खा के बोल. मेरी कसम खा के बोल ना.
ये देखो, ये देखने जा रहे हैं. मतलब लिटरली कुछ नहीं है देखने के लिए, जो ये इतनी भीड़ है. It's so sad to say that, but what are you doing, guys?
क्या है क्या ये?
क्योंकि इंसान एक दिन में शायद 2000 कैलोरी खा सकता है जब वो मेंटेन कर पाएगा अपना वेट, और 2000 कैलोरी कम पड़ेगी मुझे लगता है मेरे लिए. क्या करा जाए? लास्ट स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रीम,
Look at him going towards food park.
ओरिजिनल क्रीम.
अच्छा ये पैकर वाले से, सुबह वाले से.
सुबह वाली की तो बात अलग थी. डन, डस्टेड, सब खा लिया. कैसा लगा फिर? हाउ वाज इट?
ये थोड़ी पूछने होता है.
अरे तो तेरा वो था एकदम.
Road trip was good because we were together and
तेरी
we had
बकेट
fun.
तेरी बकेट लिस्ट में था वो हाथी देखना. उसका वो जो पॉइंट था, नीडल पॉइंट, देख लिया. कैसा
बात
लगा?
नहीं करूंगी तुम.
नहीं, सेम वीडियो ले.
We keeping the same video.